Welcome to 3D CAD Click. In this video, I am going to explain how to design gear shaft using CATIA part design interface. This is the isometric view of the gear shaft. This is the top view and the front view of the gear shaft. Here we are going to get some of the section views and the detail views. Let's get inside the interface of CATIA. There we are going to design gear shaft. This is the interface of CATIA. Go to circle. I am going to start from this center point here. Now this is the circle I wanted. I want to add the dimension for this. Double click on this one. It is showing here radius. I don't want radius. I want diameter. The diameter of the circle is 60 mm. Okay for this one. Click on the exit workbench. Once I click on this, click on the pad here. Once I click on this one, asking for the dimension I want is 55 divided by 2. Click on the mirror extend. Once I click on this, the total dimension is 55. Click OK for this one. This is what we are going to get. Similarly, again go to the option chamfer. I am going to select this particular edge. The length is 0.5 mm, angle is 45 degree. Click OK for this one. Here we are going to get the option shading with material. Once I click on the shading with material, now we can see that here how we are going to get the final component. This is how we are going to design gear shaft using CATIA part design interface. This is the example I wanted to explain in this video. In the next videos, we are going to continue from next set of options and examples. Thank you.